let's draw a flower pot.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we begin today's drawing, I wanna thank Grayson for today's drawing idea. Now, let's start drawing our flower pot. We're gonna start in the center of our paper by drawing an oval. This is going to be the very top of our flower pot. An oval is a lot like a circle because they both are very round, but an oval is usually longer like this. So we're gonna do our oval on top, and then we're gonna draw two lines coming down from the bottom of our oval on each side. Once we have those two lines, what we wanna do is we're gonna connect them together. Now we're gonna add the base of our flower pot. We're gonna come and we're gonna add two lines coming down a little bit at an angle. Straight lines coming down, one on each side. And very similar to our steps before, we're gonna add a line that connects those two as well. Now we're gonna add a little bit of soil to the inside of our flower pot. And to do that, all we have to do is draw a little semicircle on the inside of our flower pot. If you ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again once we're done. We're gonna draw three lines growing up out of the pot. You can make these lines very squiggly, you could make them curved, you could even make them zigzagged if you want. These are going to be the stems of our flowers, and there's no right or wrong way to draw these. Once we've completed our flower stems, it's time to add the inside of our flowers. We're gonna go to the very top of each stem, and I like to draw the inside of my flower by making an arch and then connecting it with a straight line at the bottom. These look a lot like gumdrops. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to draw the petals on these flowers. So what I do is I come to the base of those arches that we were making, and I draw my first petal that comes out straight, and then I slowly repeat that, but I'm curving it down, and I'm creating a flower shape as I draw them next to each other. So it might help if you guys watch it a couple times and then you take a turn and you try to draw your own petals as well. For today's drawing, I'm repeating the same type of flower across all three stems just to keep it easier for you guys to show you what I like to do, but feel free to change it up and do whatever types of flowers that you want. Now it's time to add leaves on the stems of our flowers. I like to do this by drawing a curved line that comes out, and I make kind of a point with it, and then I curve it back into the stem. And I repeat that over and over, going in different directions. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But while you guys finish up your line drawings, I wanna introduce you to my old friend. He's gonna tell you guys today's word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day, so let's get to it. Today's word is resilience. Resilience means bouncing back from our setbacks and remaining strong. I've observed that flowers and trees are incredibly resilient to the harsh conditions they endure outside. They inspire me. So children, my question for you today, what is something that makes you think of resilience? Sounds like a good thought for us to munch on, isn't it? Speaking of that, I'm rather hungry for a bone, and now we'll head back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodle-loo.
Thanks for stopping by, Arthur. Okay, you guys, let's jump into our coloring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to the bottom of our flower pot, and we're gonna find a brown or an orange color and start filling in the base of our flower pot. Very nice. On the inside of our flower pot, we're gonna have some soil or some dirt. So I'm gonna find a black color crayon and I'm gonna start filling in that inside circle that is gonna show the dirt on the inside of our pot. Once we have the dirt on the inside of our pot, it's time to add a little bit of green to our leaves on our flower stems. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna fill in the center of all of those leaves that we drew in a bunch of fun different directions. Now that we have the leaves on our flower stems, it's time to fill in the inside of our flowers. So today I'm going to be drawing the inside of my flowers with a yellow color because yellow makes me think of pollen, which is on the inside of flowers, and that's what bees love flying over, and they pick all the pollen and they bring it back to their hives to make honey for us. It's time to color in the petals. And this is where you guys could get really creative. So I'm gonna pick a different color for each of my flowers. I'm gonna do the first one over here as a red color. But you guys, you know what you could do? Each petal could be a different color. You could make rainbow flowers, or you could even make striped flowers. The possibilities are endless. And then that leaves me with my last flower, which I'm gonna make a pink color because I love pink. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fill each of those petals in with a little bit of pink. I can't wait to see what you guys are making. And there we have it. We have our very own flower pot. I am so proud of what we were able to accomplish today. You guys did an amazing job. Today's featured artist is Adeline! Oh, didn't she do such an amazing job with her butterfly and her ladybug? I love how she has them right next to each other. Keep up the great work, Adeline. I can't wait to see what you do next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com to submit your photo. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on our next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.